Dear our customers and friends, welcome to Golden Tulip Artificial Flower and Plant New Items Development presentation. Today, we'd like to show you a new range of artificial wood stick. We make it in two styles. One style is 3 pieces of single stick tied together by raffia and in height 140 centimeter. And the other style, single stems in height 80 centimeter. They both in nice colors with small leaves from light green to orange red. Let's first check this short stem. You see, with very natural stem and good workmanship, natural style structure, natural stems, very nice. Also same as the long stem one, with very natural leaves, small leaves, and good structure. Thank you. See you next time.